Hello everyone. I hope my voice is audible. Absolutely, I'm going to make this in English, not on Hindi, because I'm not comfortable in talking in Hindi, of course. Right now, I'm in metro. Look at this. Look at the view, man. It's awesome, isn't it? So, I just turn on this laptop and I'm heading towards the office. Look at this. I'm absolutely going to make the video of our trading sessions on the Mac, not on the phone, which I was usually doing, which sucks. Absolutely, it is what it is. So, see, yesterday I analyzed the currencies. I have talked about this is going to wick into this area of interest, and look at that. Look at that. It is in the process. Now, whatever I said, it is happening to the perfection. So it is literally going to do this. Literally, I will delete this. It is literally going to do this. What is our work? Our work is to wait for that for that 4 hours candlestick closer. That is it. On CAT JPY, on CHF JPY. Here we go. I haven't took any trade. Make sure. So I'm just waiting for the engulfing candle over here. The candle which I'm talking, I will show you. Hold on. Is the recording is on? Yeah, recording is on. Yesterday I talked for 15 minutes and this OBS software just crashed, and I finally got like there was no recording. So there is new fear unlocked with this OBS. Look at this. This is a candlestick I'm looking into. Once this happens, every single time frame will get bearish, which is I want this 30-minute candle. I want this candlestick. Recording is on, yeah. So I want this candlestick to go down, but you know, this is what is going to happen. Oh shit.
Ideal colony.
This audio. This is what is going to happen, but guess what?
Ideal colony.
This is like the things which I'm saying right now. Just give me a second. This.
Next station. Ideal colony. Please mind the gap.
All right. So basically, as per the data, it should do this. But guess what? As a professional trader, I know what is going to happen. It is not going to do this. A lot of people are going to sell it over here, thinking that this is going to go down, but it is going to go up because it has to. And there's a little hack which I will share later. Why it has to? It is going to do this, and then it is going to come down under the EMA, then retrace and push to downside. That is what is going to happen. If I said that has to happen, brother, almost from 6 years, we're doing this. Beautiful. So yeah, the network just sucks. So once this happens, and guess, yeah, this network is not working, man. Yeah, kinda. So, guess what? Like, this is so matching. If this is going to go up, which is going to happen, it is going to create the 4 hours upside wick, which has to happen. And then it is going to create the engulfing candle to downside. The 4 hours will close below the EMA. Then also we'll be having the daily engulfing candle. Beautiful, like whatever we want, it is what we are getting. And this week of the oh my god, hold on. Recording is on, yeah.
Non-stop.
New fear, brother. I will be waiting, like, see, this week have created, just give me a second, this voice disturbing us.
Non-stop. Please mind the gap.
Done. So this week of the daily candlestick is going to get filled, and guess what? The weekly have created new candle, and as well as monthly have created new candle. We do have created on the week on the monthly. Let me show you, brother. I got so good in trading, you won't even believe. I mean, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. And now it is going to. It has to fill this fair value gap. It has to. There is no other option. The market. I know how market works. Okay. All right. So let me just tell you what is our target for this week. Our target is going to be almost 1 to 2 lakhs for this week, and we'll be achieving it. Very high chances, almost 99.89% chances are there that we are going to achieve this target, and we'll do it. It's basically simple. And guess what? I'm going to share this my trades completely free on YouTube because I just thought about this. Take it, have it, wonderful, enjoy. I will just. This is what it is. Just look at the metro behind me. Oh my god. Signing off, guys. Peace. Yo, what's up? We are back, and guess what? Where I am? I am right now in this in this mall. Look at this. Oh my god. Doesn't it looks beautiful? I look beautiful. Doesn't that sounds great? But why I come right now? Why I'm recording the video? Just to create. I mean, just to give an update about our trades. I hope this OBS don't stop. Please don't stop. Let's go. So CHF. I mean, we'll start with the CAD JPY. Start with the CAD JPY. I mean, it's loading. It shouldn't take this much time, which is not phone data. Hello, brother. Hello. Oh my god, it is still taking the time. It is not good at all. I hope net should work. The net should work. Man, what the are we joking down there? Oh my god, the net is not working. It's not a good sign. It's not a good sign. Let me check. Let me check the net is working or not. I'm opening the YouTube down there. Bro, net is not working. Let me turn on the Wi-Fi. No. Hotspot. क्या बोलते हैं? Mobile hotspot. No. Airplane mode on. Airplane mode off. And the mobile data on. Are we recording? Yeah, I'm just curious about this. So, connected. I hope we connected. We did? No, we didn't. Net is not working, man. Literally, the net is not working. So I think I can do the double setting down there. Give me a second. I'm doing. Oh, net works. Oh, network. The network. Now this Wi-Fi is not getting connected. Like why? Oh my. Like why in the damn flying fucking world? I mean, this has to happen right now. Like really? Like really? Holy moly, man. Connected. I hope the net works. Please works. Please do not stop. Please, brother. Please, बोल रहा हूँ मैं. I hope the net works. It is not working. The net is literally not working, man. Again it stopped working. I kept it. Okay. As per data, if I hold like this, the net works. Let's hold like this then. What else we can do? Let me do the double setting, which I was going to do it in RLT. Oh my. This works or what? Let me do more double setting. NR only, LT only. Now we'll see is going to become or not. I think it will work now. Yeah. No. Yeah. No, yeah. Oh, yeah, it works, brother. Oh, yeah, it works. It works. I can refresh it. Hold on. My goodness. We wasted time almost. Like, we wasted your time as well and my time as well. My god, look at this. If I'm not even speaking, it is just. What the fun is this? I'm not even having the net. Wow, beautiful. I think so. Let's go up. By going up, we will be having a net. Hold on. I will be back. It is the life of a trader. I will back. Yes. Either I'm recording the screen. I hope I'm visible. Yeah. This. I hope this OBS thing. What software is. Don't crash. So I'm still in the mall. I just wanted to quick update about our trades. Look at this beautiful uni. It's the Max shop. All right, boys. I hope the net is going to work because the net is not working inside. We'll see it is working or not. Also, my battery is about 10. Oh, just give me a second. I hope. Yeah, net is working, brother. That's a great sign. You won't even believe what I saw. I saw the 89 lakhs watch in this. What is Ethos? It's so hard name. Why people give so hard name? The name should be rhyming words. I mean, they don't know the business, man. Like a Google, the name, everyone knows. What is Ethos? Yeah, the battery is now charging. My god, the net is still not working. Is it a case? I hate this. I hate this Jio, man. I'm paying this much to not to work. Let's see. YouTube is working or not. Oh yeah, YouTube is working. Then what's up with this? I hope my voice is. The video is going to get copyright for sure because the background voice is killing. Let's check Google. Yeah, the net is working, man. GBP cat. Come on, man. It is working. And now what is this? New fear unlock, man. The Safari is. Safari. What is this? Shomo. Like, what is this? It works. Cat JPY. Let's go on this cat JPY. Beautifully done the things which I wanted. That candlestick closure. Now I'm waiting for the wick. Wick is also done. But the thing is, the 4 hours. The 4 hours is not looking good. The 4 hours is not looking good. That is the reason I haven't sell it. Where the fuck this gone? Holy shit, where my favorites are? My favorites. Yeah, down there. So, what I want the candlestick closure above here. This is what I'm saying, brother. Price has gone nowhere. It has to come up to. Recording is on. It has to come up over here to create it. Enough. Brightness full. Cat JPY. Waiting is only the game we have. Second is CHF JPY. I do like to take the sell trade, but I'm not going to. You know why? I know it. I know what is going to happen. What is going to happen? That this thing, 95% probability that this thing is going to come up and close above this candle. And then get bearish like this. Right now, this looks so beautiful to take the sell trade, but I'm not going to do it. just because of the 30 minute. I don't like the 30-minute time frame. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to take the trade. So the only thing which you have is to wait. Waiting is the most important game. So it is what it is, man. This is what it is. Recording is on. Yeah. This is only what I'm looking into. That is it. That is the only. This is going nowhere, man. This is going nowhere. But the daily, man, the daily looks. I'm really not gonna lie, but daily looks like we missed the trade. I mean, looks like that. The daily looks good, but we can't certainly take the trade. We're gonna have to wait for what we should be waiting for. If I know 95% probability that this is going to come up, so I'm just not going to take it. I will just be patient. CAT JPY. Look at that, as well as this both currency has JPY and JPY. If one goes up, the other will also go up. And now we want the 4 hours to close above and come to the EMM. That means CAT JPY is going to go up. That means CHF JPY is also going to go up. It's just make a common sense. That is only it. And now this is what it is. I'm still in this. Look at this. There's nothing to look. Signing off. Peace. I'm closing this. Bye bye. Yo, I was about to close this, but I remember, we can go back and just check the other currencies. Is other currencies are doing the things which I wanted? Let's check it out. I hope this OBS is not going to crash. I hope. So GBP CAD, exactly what I said. Exactly. I told that this candlestick is going to go up. It gone up. Beautiful. Euro USD on the other hand, I won't predict anything. NZD JPY, this is going to go down, man. This is going to go down. Match the EMM. The GBP odd. Oh my god, I have predicted this move, but I can't able to take the trade. And you know why? It's because of it. It doesn't look good. Look at this sideways. I don't like the sideways. The fifth is Euro JPY. My prediction doesn't work. I predicted this is going to go up, but 4 hours haven't got bullish, so we can't take the trade. Odd CAD. Not interested. Euro odd. What the? This is a beautiful trade, but most probably it should come up. GBP JPY. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure, but this week it is going nowhere, so don't worry. It's going to create the engulfing candle. Next week we will be having a trade on this JPY currency, USD JPY. In the next week we'll be having a trade in this as well, USD JPY, because we want every single time frame to get shift so that we can take the trade. I hope my voice is getting recorded, man. Yeah, it is. Euro CAD. I'm just not interested in Euro CAD. I said this is going to happen. See, it is happening to the perfection. Voila. GBP NZD. I haven't predicted anything. Odd USD. Not interested. USD CAD. This thing is going nowhere. It's going nowhere. Odd CHF, I was not interested, but I have predicted this move to perfection. I told that it's going to go up. It's going to go up, which, look at that. I literally missing lakhs and lakhs on the table. Literally. But where? I'm missing the lakhs, man. But taking a trade in these currencies is not good at all. We're also going to have the trade in the next week on Euro USD over here. Oh my, this is going to be the most high probable trade. We'll be waiting for the candlestick closure. The retrace push. That is it. That is only it. The daily will also get shift of structure. Beautiful. Sorry. CAT CHF, not interested. Skip. NZD JPY, the NZD CHF, not interested. GB CHF, not interested. Euro CHF, not interested. Or NZD, I am literally not interested to take this trade. So, guess what? No trade. Now, what is going to happen? This is going to go up and then retrace, and then it is going to go up. It is same time by time. It is same. I'm tired of getting correct. I wanna get wrong. NZD CAD. This net is not working. I appreciate this move to perfection. Now we are heading towards NZD USD. This thing is going to close like this. And next week, it is going to go up. We're done. So only two currencies we're looking into. CAD JPY, and the second currency is CHF JPY. That is only it. Signing off, boys. This is only it. I will go. Peace. I'm heading towards my home now. I will take the metro. I have to walk for almost 1.5 kilometer. It is what it is. Let's go. I'm closing this. Hello there. I hope I'm visible. Look at this. What I said. I said CAT JPY is going to go up. And look at it. This is happening live in front of you. As I said. This thing is coming up and touching to the EMA. That is the reason we can't sell in a CHF JPY. That is the only reason. So yeah, I will update what happens coming next. Signing off. Peace. Oh yeah, I'm in metro. I'm in metro, bro. You wanna see? Yeah, here we go. There you go. Hello everyone. Basically, yeah, you can see me tired because look at the time. It is right now 11:36 and battery is 50. I'm trying to discharge this battery, but this battery is so good that it is not even getting discharged. So right now, I'm clicking. Okay. Um, see, I will tell you what I was doing. I just got like this week I missed almost 4 lakhs, near about 4 lakhs. So why and how? Oh shit! You saw my tuckle. It is what it is. So I am see again. I am bit very not energetic, but I mean, what's the time? 11:37. See, the thing is, I saw like when I was in job, I like a lot of weeks got passed by and we haven't took a trade for almost a month, and just because of trade was not getting match, and then we took the trade for 2 weeks. After that, we did the loss for 2 weeks, and now we missed the 4 lakhs. So I was like, we are wasting. First of all, we are wasting time. Second, we are wasting. There is nothing to waste. We are wasting time, and I thought like, yo, if you know about every single thing, then why you can't use this exact same strategy in the lower time frame if everything is getting recorded? Yeah. And I was like, that does make sense. So again, I was knowing this, the market is fractal, but then I still research because I still don't believe market is fractal or not. But now I was literally looking at it. I can literally can see, man, the market is fractal. Fractal means whatever the strategy is working on the weekly time frame, it is going to work exactly same on the 1 minute time frame. So this is what I was checking. So I literally like, see, I was doing the business lecture, as you can see over here. I like this almost a lecture went up till here, and I was sleeping. I was sleeping for 10 minutes from here to here, and guess what? I was like, yo, you did the worst thing ever. So you're gonna have to have the uh, what is punishment. So you can't sleep till midnight, which is about to happen within 20 minutes. So I was like, if I have to wake up, if I have to be awake, I can't do this lecture. Doing this lecture makes me sleep, so I'm gonna have to do the things which is what I like, which is looking at trading. So I, s- I opened the chart and I tried to look at the trading, and then I saw like we missed the 4 lakh rupees profit. And then I was like, yo, now it's time to, like check, does this strategy, the higher time frame strategy, is going to work on the lower time frame strategy? That means every single week we are getting almost 2 to 3 trades maximum, and minimum one trade. And if high probability is then 1 to 3 trades. If there is no trades, then there is no trade. So I was like, why not, like I am taking the trades based on every single weekly candlestick, which is very much high probable. I'm not gonna lie, the recording is, yeah, it's still, I'm just checking this time frame, because previously I got scammed with this OBS, because I was speaking for 15 minutes, and I saw there was no recording. This OBS system got crashed. So new fear unlock. So I'm literally checking the, I'm pretending the weekly time frame as the daily time frame. So I'm just thinking like, this candlestick is not a weekly, this candlestick is daily, but I'm thinking this is not the daily candlestick, this is the weekly candlestick. So as I was pretty like I was like I'm now pretending the daily time frame as the weekly time frame, the 4 hours time frame as the daily time frame, which means in every single week we are getting almost maximum of 3 trades, minimum of one trade, even most of the time we get zero trade. This is by lowering these things, we will be getting almost 2 to 3 trades a day, a high probable 2 to 3 trades. I really want to see this. I cat CHF. I will be remembering this, and I literally predicted the things. I just wanted to. I just wanted to let you know, like, this is it. This is it. I wanted to record my predictions, just so that I literally want to record it, because see, I just can't go and like do it live on the market. What we'll do, we'll practice it for 1 week. Mm-hmm. We'll sit every night. We'll do analysis, and we'll practice it every single day for a week. And if the end of the day is we are profitable, then we'll use this exact same strategy, the lower time frame strategy, onto $5,000 funded account. Okay, if that is thing is working, then if that $5,000 funded account is being still profitable, and then we'll be going from $5,000 funded account, using this strategy on the $5,000 funded account, will be start using this strategy on the $1 lakh funded account, which is what is going to be the safest and the most safest option to do it. Recording is on, yeah, it is. So this is what it is. Understand, man, I'm so low energy, but it is what it is, man. Hold on, is drinking water is going to solve this? Maybe. Yeah, it does solve. See, I'm thinking like this daily candlestick, I'm thinking like it's a weekly candlestick. What happens when a weekly have this engulfing candle? The next candle is going to be the red candle. So I'm predicting 4 hours as a daily time frame. So I want, if I'm taking the trade on a daily basis, I want this candlestick to close the way it is and have the engulfing candle to close below this, so that we can, then we will be having the confirmation. And exactly on the 1 hour, which is I'm pretending this is like a 4 hours candlestick, the this time frame will get bearish. Right now it is, yeah, it is bullish right now. But structure is also bullish structure, which is not good. If this happens, it will be under the EMA as well, like beautiful. That is what I'm actually looking. I'm not going to take the trade for sure. Trading of this week is done, but I am right now looking forward to, like, look into this lower time frame trades. If we got 2 to 3 trades per day, guess what? That means we will be netting almost 1 to 2% per day, which is equivalent to, within a week we have 5 trading days, so 5% a week minimum, 5% per week. Am I going wrong? No, of course, yes, I'm going wrong. If I are risking 0.8% per trade, then 0.8% multiplied by 2 are, that is 1.6% per day. 1.6% multiplied by 5 are, okay, 1.6% multiplied by 5 are, that is the 8% per week. But we are considering that every single day we will be making money. Let's not consider that. Divide by 2. Half of the week will be lose and half of the week will be win. Still will be making 4% every single week. Man, this is greater than what I ever thought. Even though we lose half of the week, which is very unusual because I know what is going to happen next, it is very hard to lose. So pretty much, look at my eyes are like about to close. This is like a mirror. If I tilt over here, this thing tilt this side. It's not good. Euro USD, I am not interested. NZD JPY. Basically, I want this candlestick close like a doji. Next candlestick close like an engulfing candle, and which is, oh my god, this is so beautiful. That which is equals to this for like the 4 hours candlestick. I'm predicting this is like a daily candlestick is going to break and then retest. The EMA is also going to play. Wow. I'm predicting this is going to go down pretty much soon if we got the things which we wanted to. This right there is not a good trade, because if this is now in a daily, if we are looking on the weekly time frame, this is the thing. Whenever we are above, we are buying. Above, we are buying. Right now, we are inside the box. We we must be buying if we are inside the box. It's a bit tricky. Also, we are so low. I would be loving if the candlestick close like this, pretty good. Then it is going to get sells. But right now, I'm not interested. Euro JPY, not interested. Odd CAD, on the other hand, if the odd CAD, what I want odd CAD to close like this as a doji. Next day engulfing candle, and the next day we'll be taking a trade on the Monday. No. Friday, Thursday candle, I want the engulfing. The Friday will be taking a trade to the downside. I mean, this is not, we are not going to take the trade. I'm just pretending and predicting the market. If what happens if I shift it to lower time frame, I really want to record these things. So if this candlestick closed like this, the next candlestick I want the engulfing candle. Once that done, the next day on the Friday I will be looking to take the trade for buy. Now don't misunderstand. If I'm saying I'm looking to take the trade, which means I'm I'm very much likely I'm pretending to take the trade. Okay, I'm not here. I'm just doing the predictions. I'm not here to take the trade. If I'm saying I'm going to take the trade, like I want engulfing candle, then I will be looking to take the trade, which means just demo trade, man, not a real trade. I'm just practicing. I'm just wanted to understand. So if this close like this, then I want this candle to close above the box. Once that happens, I don't know, man. Like, this is going to come up till here to fill the fair value gap of this and this. It is going to come down, retrace, and at least we can have this. I'm predicting that it is going to come down and then it is going to come up over here. This is going to happen and it has to happen. Okay, so what I'm now on the control Z is on, right? This is on, or else I will be again. So now what I'm predicting, this is candlestick which I have drawn. I'm predicting the next candle is going to be weak over here and then it is going to create like this red candle. The 4 hours is going to again come retracement, beautiful EMA touch, and it is going to go down. I like this. The lower height is also created, beautiful. Also the 1 hour, 1 hour is also looking good. Look at that previous structure area, EMA. Wow, this is the most high probable. If I'm looking to take the trade, this is the trade, man. This is the trade which I will be looking into to take the trade for sellings. But of course I'm not going to take the trade. I'm just pretending that I'm going to take the trade. I just wanted to predict the market. This is going nowhere. I hate this currency. I mean, as of now, this is going to go down. I'm predicting this from past almost few months, not few months, 1 week, 1 to 2 week. This is going to come down. The next candle is going to be a red candle. USD JPY on other hand, I don't like this currency the way it is. I want the candlestick to close below this candle, then it is going to go down. EuroCAD, not interested. Don't want to predict even. This is going to come down because it has created beautiful lower high. It's going to come down, brother. Up till here. Holy shit. That massive stone is increasing my heartbeat. This thing is going to come up, create the lower high, and then create the new lower low. But it is going to come down over here. Odd USD. I might keep the brightness full. Brightness full is going to help me to get addiction to the screen, and then my eyes will still be open. Odd USD, I don't like it. This is USD CAD. It can, the next candle is going to be weak and then it is going to close somewhere over here. Odd CHF, don't like it. Euro NZD, I don't like this currency. CAD CHF, here we go. Now doesn't this looks good? If this is on the weekly, I would be loving to take this trade, man. Seriously. The only con is the take profit is going to be little bit closer. So I mean, creating the higher as higher lows, not good. If we got the engulfing candle, then it will be good, bearish. If you got the engulfing candle, then we'll closing below this box, then I will wait for the EMA is going to come like this. Okay, then I will wait for the next candlestick to wick into the EMA and then push to the downside. That is going to happen. We can sell over here if this is going to engulf. The next candle is going to create the engulfing candle, then it is going to go down. NZDCHF, if this candlestick close above this candle, it is going to go up. Yeah, it is going to go up. It's very high probability that this is, oh my god, this looks beautiful trade, man. This I like this. Look at a lot of opportunities we are getting, and every single day. I'm not going to lie, brother. I'm going to use this in the next week. I'm going to use these things, and guess what, I'm going to share this with you all guys, completely for free. I just want this candlestick close above this box, that's it. Then we'll be coming, wicking, boom, it's going to go up. The 4 hours, oh my, look at that, the previous retracement to previous structure area. Wow, this is right there is the high probable. Seriously, I'm very much thirsty right now. Recording is on, 19 minutes, yeah. USD CHF is ahead than the NZD CHF. Look at that. And we are waiting for NZD CHF to candlestick close above this box. On other hand, USD CHF is about to close above this box. Seriously, even if it is going to close above this box, I mean, I will be not looking to buy, because we are buying at a higher high, and plus there is a resistance of the EMA is going to be come into picture. But there is the thing, we can do it. Bit risky trade over here. Yeah, this thing looks like a very much risky, but you know, this thing is going to come up till here. We need to look into it. I mean, yeah, if that candlestick close above that box, then will be retracement to this previous structure area, and then we're pushing to the upside up till this level. The only thing which I don't like, the EMA, it is going to react, which is going to react come, and then we're going to push to the upside. GBP CHF, I want this candlestick to close like this, and then the next candlestick I want the engulfing candle, the bearish engulfing candle. The next candlestick I want, then next candlestick I will be taking a trade to downside. Oh my goodness, what I said, it is going to happen, brother. Now if this, see, if this candlestick is going to close, man, I'm literally feeling like I am the god of market, which I am, but I'm also getting the same success in the lower time frame. Same, literally same. I want this candlestick to close like this, then the next candlestick is going to be the red engulfing candle, and guess what, the 4 hours time frame is also going to get bearish. Look at this, I want this 4 hours to close below this structure. We're good, this is going to go to the downside, man. Look at the quantity of the trades, man. Wow, like seriously crazy, isn't it? On Friday this is going to go down for sure. I'm just recording this video just to keep the, okay, I should be sit like this, just to keep Yeah, I'm just recording this video just to keep the like proof that I have predicted and this has happened, and not to show you. I'm keeping this proof for me so that I can go back and review what I have predicted, what my thought process was, and does that happens or not. So last three currencies are remaining. What is this? If this candlestick close above this candle, we're going to go up. Pretty much good. We're not literally instantly going to go up. This has to create the higher low. It is right now at a higher high. It has to come down and then push up and then come down and then push up. Over here we are going to buy. So it is like this. I mean, this is crazy thing. See, first of all, I want to be make clear about this. Yeah, I want this daily candlestick to close about the EMA, about the box. Once that done, then I will be waiting for the 4 hours to create the higher low. Once that done, then we can able to buy. But this is going to go up. This is going to go up for sure. What will be the take profit? The take
It's
profit.
12 o'clock.
It will be this. This will be the take profit. Look at this is so close. This is doesn't even make any sense. But still, it is what it is. Even if I'm predicting some kind of thing, that is going to be worth it, isn't it? Now, if this candlestick close like this, I will wait for the engulfing candle to the downside. Oh, bearish. So once that happens, then I could easily take the trade to the downside. Look at that, man. Look at that. That engulfing candle is going to be very big. This engulfing candle is going to make the 4 hours bearish. Look at this. And also will be once the retracement is going to done, the EMA is going to come, and then we are going to be up below EMA. It's going to happen, man. I mean, look at the opportunities we're getting for taking the trades. Seriously. And now we miss this two trades on the higher time frame. Now the week is completely wasted, which means not good. Uh, if this candlestick close like this, then we could easily go up, and we could literally go up. This is very much ready to take the trade right now. But I'm not going to because this thing is not proven, so I'm not going to. I'm literally speaking slow because of course look at the time, it's midnight and everyone is about to sleep. There is no take profit over here, but this thing is going to weak into this box. That is going to happen. I can bet on it. NZD, this is going to go down. This is going to go down. And I just see and I just can't get it, man. I just can't get it. I don't know, man. I just can't get it, man. Seriously. I like the way I got so good in prediction. So now it is creating the left at right shoulder. Tick tock left, tick tock right ahead, and now it is creating the right shoulder. It's going to break and then retest. It's going to happen. If I say that has to happen, see, it is going to happen, and that right there is the end of our prediction. So yeah, look at the time. Holy shit, we need to sleep. We gotta have to wake up as well early in the morning. Signing off. Look at my body, brother. Goodbye. Peace. Hello all, welcome back once again. Today is, you can see the time. Let's move to this. Basically, before I start doing the analysis, just wanted to tell you that see, I had a word with my mama and he told me, yo, see, you want to do the business, that's great. So he told me that, see, like, you gotta have to do the job. I mean, I said, like, if there is a two option in front of me rather than doing job or do business, choose either one. I will definitely choose the business because that's all I wanna do. But then he was saying something he was conveying some message which I was not be able to understand because I was like, still, even if I wanted to do like choose only one option, I gonna have to do business, not job. Then he told me like, yo, there are a lot of expenses you have right now, which means like the expenses. For example, basis the stay expenses, the food expenses, like this I have carried up over here. So such kind of expenses you have. So do you have that much amount to do that expenses? And I'm like, yeah, I mean, I don't. I mean, he's true. Things got expenses. What I was thinking, like, this job is draining my energy. So let's not do this job. Let's go home and let's do our business. Let's work on our business. Let's do the business lecture and let's work on our business. The thing is, he was saying that there is expenses and there are expenses, and then I was not understanding what he wanted to say. I was, like, I was at one point only that no, if I wanted to choose one option, I just wanted to choose business rather than doing the job. Then he given me a paper having this kind of Excel, like this kind of sheet. He told me, yo, please fill this up and call me at and later of night, and we'll discuss on this. Then that was having the column of business plan. So it was having the first I will teach them how to trade, and the second business plan is going to be after they learn how to trade, then they need ongoing help to keep trading the way they are trading. So that is where, I mean, this is the old price. I'm considering I wanted to consider the new price, which is like almost 10, 15, 30, 1 crore, 10 crore. But this is a basic plan. Like, this is the basic plan. 5,000 one time for learning the trading, and 5,000 per month for what it is, for the ongoing trading mentorship. If I have 250 students paying me 5,000 per month, I will be literally having 10 lakhs per month easily. I mean, this is so simple. Second is the second column was having the job plan. Okay, is the recording is still continuing? Yeah, I will be like this. Do I close this slide? Yeah. Okay. So the second column was having the job plan. Over here, there was like job plan. What's a job about? Like, what's a plan about job? And I'm like, I mean, I haven't thought about this. There is no plan of doing job. I just plan about to do the business, and then I deep dive. I mean, I will show you like my calculations, but this is what I have come up with. If I um, See, the simple thing is, do the job until you make money in your business more than your job, and then quit the job and focus on business. Right now, if I wanted to do the business, I can't because no resources, no contacts. I have to gain the leads. To gain the leads to start building my business, it is going to take time. And guess what? My mom called. Hello? एक मिनट हाँ. Hello? Oh, hello there, hello everyone. So yeah, we are back again. Guess what? It's getting recorded by my Mac is getting hanged. Wow, didn't expect this. So Recording is on. Recording is on. Check. I don't know. Am I looking good or not? Maybe. I will be sitting like this. So yeah. So brother, look at this. So in a nutshell, say like this. Because if I start a business right now, there will be zero earning at the end of the January. Also at the end of the February, it will be zero earning. But at the end of the March, we'll be at least some making some kind of money, right? So in March, March, April. Here we go for April. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, that was worst. And now I have to refresh this. So in April, we'll be start making more money than our job, and once this happens, we'll be making almost 1 to 10 lakhs. So when this happens, when when this happens, then we can leave the job and we can fully focused on this business and the trading. Also, the trading is also going to increase because the capital is going to be huge. And guess what? In the profit mart, I will be maybe it's not true. Maybe I will be working as a trader. Maybe. So this is what that means. I literally gonna have to do this job to like just to get this. I mean now there is no rule. Like there is only one rule. Do job and then do business. That is only rule which we are looking into. We're gonna have to manage these two things which I was not be able to, but then later I have to. There is no other option. As Andrew Tate says, we're gonna have to do the things which, regardless of how we feel, w- this is the example of the thing. Actually, doing this job is going to sucks, but just because I'm going to do this job, there's upside on this. Like my contacts will be increased. I will be having communications with the leads. The trust is going to get, like there are a lot of things is going to play around over here, which is not if I go back home and if I don't do job and if I go back home, then I will be, yes, I can start working on my business, but the thing is there is no leads, then there is no earning, then what we will be surviving on. So yeah, there will be earnings from trading, but still, you know. So this is how it goes. So that is the reason I'm deciding to, like to go for both rather than choosing one. So this is how I decided to do what I wanted to do, what we are going to do. So let's go, let's okay. Let's now I have decided what I'm going to do. Let's close this. Let's come back to the trading. Yo, brother, I am pretty sure that we'll be start making a lot money, like a lot, because yesterday I have predicted the things. Yesterday, there is background noise. It is what it is. This oven is playing. Holy shit. Avan, hi kar. So this oven is playing. Yes, background noise, brother. But it is what it is. Is the camera is there? A camera angle? Yeah, yeah, perfect. So I have predicted all the currencies. I have predicted all the currencies, which I mean, I'm just not gonna say. You just see. This is the sign that your brother, we are going to make a lot of money. And the way we were waiting for trading on the weeks, one like 2 to 3 trades in a week, that is now we are going to shift using the same idea, using the same mentality, using the same strategy. We are going to start making money doing 3 trades like maximum per day. We're talking about per day. So I have to check this for one more week. I'm literally in this trade. I have took this trade in the morning. A little my stop my take profit got hit, but guess what? My take profit got hit. Not actually, but we were so close to hit the take profit. So close, like anything. You will understand when I show this. Look at that. And guess what? A lot of people are going to like, yo, it came back, close it, or close it on break even. It's better to close it on break even rather than doing loss. Look at that. It is starting heading towards the my take profit. If I just close to the break even, I won't be able to make money, right? If I wanted to close on a break even, what's the point of getting into the trade? For why, right? So it is very high chances that it is going to close over there. We're going to make money. Let me show you this trade live in front of everyone. Ah yeah, here we go. This is the trade. I love this camera, brother. Like wow. I will just make this pretty zoom so that you guys all can see. This is the trade which we are looking into. Look at this. I love this camera, brother. It just focused exactly where we wanted. Look at this. Exactly. Oh my god, this is so mirror view. I wanted to tap over here. I'm trying to. Acha, ikkade. This is super mirror. It's very hard to calculate. I will just do this. Look at this is exact rate. Exact. GUPJPY. The exact rate. Am I happy or because I'm making money? Nope. Money is this number on screen. In the office which I'm heading towards, in the office which I'm going daily, we are trading on the 4 crore account, the 4 crore, and that's is e- one account. There are 10 types. There are 10 same account, 4 crores, and I'm seeing like 3 4 lakhs plus minus within a seconds. I'm saying money is just a number on screen. This is like this right there is the average salary of the any employee. Average like a low minimum wage, 6 7 thousand. It's not even 6 7 thousand, but it is pretty much close, and will making will pretty much will be up about that. So are we going to be break even? Are we going to be in positive? Yeah, looks like that. So तुम्हाला झोपायचं असेल त्यावेळेस सांगा मला. तुम्ही असा आवाज देऊन सांगू शकता. असं नाही की माझे हे चालू आहे म्हणून आवाज नाही दिला ते चालेल. So this is like this is it. So this is what I'm saying, brother. We are going to make a lot more money. So no, the only thing is we need to reschedule every single thing which we are wanted to do. I'm not going to trade it instantly. I mean, I'm not. This is the trade which I have took. I've took on $5,000 account. I haven't took it only $1 lakh account. If I would took that, I would literally about like up about almost five, four, no, four, yeah, $400, which is the little bit more than average salary. No, that is the average salary. Right now, I'm right now making minimum wage, and then if I come on, I'm confusing you. Let it be. No one gives a fuck about how much I make. You guys will just see. The thing is, I successfully I successfully lower down the time frames and have the same success ratio which is what I was getting in the higher time frame. The same. Look at that. I literally predict this move to the perfection. Yesterday only I've told about this. This is what is happening, bro. This is going to melt like anything. So yeah, we are in this trade. I'm just going to hold this. I literally don't want to make money in this. I want to lose money in this because losing money will make me learn more, and that is all what I want. But market is making me money. It is what it is. So pretty much this candlestick close below it is our take profit is very like 100%. That's the probability of making 100%. And on other hand, cat GPY we beautifully missed the trade, but our prediction was exactly correct. CHF JPY we beautifully missed this trade, man. This was so beautiful trade, but we have to miss this because it was not fitting into our strategy. I mean, it was, but it was like very low probability trade. So I haven't took this. In GBP NZD, I have predicted yesterday that I've this is going to go down and this is going to create the one more red candle because it has created a lower high. But guess what? I have literally avoided the loss to the perfection. You know why? Sarko? Bar. Just because of it was creating the higher highs and the higher lows. It haven't. Yeah, this was a more like
It's 11 o'clock.
when we were checking yesterday. Today is 8 Jan, right? That means yesterday was 7 Jan, and I was literally checking this at somewhere down there. Yeah. So this is like the low. It has created a lower high. It is going to create the new lower low, but we won't be able to take the trade after like after 8:30 or something like that. So that is the reason I haven't took the trade. Even the worst thing, I analyzed this currency at midnight almost. Are we recording? Yeah, we are recording. So this is सरकू का अच्छा अच्छा बर हो चालेल तुम्हाला जेव्हा खाली यायचं असेल मला सांगा हो मग मी वरती बसतो नक्की so that is the reason I haven't took the trade and in morning I was looking at this at 6:30 which was creating the higher high. We can't sell in the higher highs when the market is creating the higher high. That is the reason we literally avoided loss to perfection in GBP. NZD, USD CHF has done the exact thing which I wanted. Exact. Look at the arrow. Look at this arrow. I have put this arrow yesterday, man. Again, I was waiting for. I was waiting for the candlestick to close over on this box to be the most high probable. It haven't closed. I haven't took the trade, but the prediction was correct, which means this thing is working on the lower time frame. The exact strategy on the higher time frame is exactly working on the lower time frame as well. On NZD CAD, yeah, I said that it is going to come down and then it is going to go up. But guess what? It came so down that it makes every single time frame bearish, which is equivalent to there is no chances for taking the buy trade. So now right now what we are going to do, we're going to predict the next moves, the next what is going to be happen tomorrow. Okay, and yesterday I have told that this candlestick is going the next candle is going to be a red candle. Look at that. The prediction is so crystal clear. I'm talking about the crystal clear prediction, and this is what I am saying to you. The higher time frame, if I am taking one trade in the one weekly candle, I can easily take the one trade on the daily candle, and we will be getting daily opportunities for next 5 days rather than just waiting taking one trade and getting only one opportunity in a whole week. So this is a beautiful thing. You won't even believe what is this. So we are getting this engulfing candle. Guess what? If this candlestick like if this candlestick close like the engulfing candle, brother, we're good. The next candle is going to be wick push or downside. which is equals to lower high, lower low, lower high, and then we'll be having. I mean, this is a good trade to take the trade tomorrow, you know. So, wanna shortlist this trade in the trade. Today's trade temporary excluded. You know, let's discard this all the currencies. So GBP CAD, I'm literally looking for this to where it is. Where my star panel is? Can you able to see? Yeah, here it is, down there. It was vanished, man. तो झोपायला लागले की सांगा मी किचन मध्ये बसतो. So I'm just waiting for the daily candlestick closure, and then the next candlestick is going to be the red candle. Weekly, yeah, weekly is going to be doing these things which weekly wanted to do. I don't think so. It is going to come down in next week to the downside. It's just going to mess around. It will at least come over here, but we can take the intraday trade. This is what we're going to do. Intraday trade. Was curious about this. Yeah, it is going to at least come over here. The next week it is going to do this, and then yeah, it is going to do this. So, but the weekly, let's not consider weekly. It's considering the daily, right? Nah. काय करतो अगं तू? टोले देऊ का तुला? थांब 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 थांब. So this is what is going to happen. I know this is going to happen. That's the reason I'm saying. Daily engulfing candle, 4 hours got bearish. This is the recipe for making money. Euro USD. Uh, recording is on, right? Timer is on, yeah. That one option actually saving this recordings. Euro daily time frame. Euro USD. Oh my god! I literally predicted this move to the perfection. Not in the video. In the morning only, I've told that this week is going to get filled. That is, I was literally looking to take the trade. Yeah. When I was it was like this. I was literally waiting for the engulfing candle. Yeah. No. Yes. I mean, is this was the currency which I was looking for? Oh yes, this is only the currency. Yes, exactly. It. I thought it was going to close, but then it came back, opens. We could literally take the trade, man. 1730. Oh my goodness, 1730. This was beautiful. Even we can take the trade at 1930, but no, we should not take the trade in night because there is no movements. Movement is happening now, but most probably there is no movements. This is just closing. It is, I mean, not interested. What is this cat chip? NZDJPY? What? I told this is going to happen. Look at that. Look at that. The lines. Look at the lines, man. I told this is going to happen. This is exact. This is exactly what I have predicted, man. And this is the sign of what I'm saying. Look at that. Exactly what I have predicted. Look at my line. Yesterday line was still here. Guess what? This is how I'm getting much and much confidence to take the trades to the downside. I will be very much interested to take the trade once this candlestick close below this candle, and then the next candle is going to weak, and then it is going to push you downside. That right there is the recipe of making money. Wow, it's going to be weak into the daily EMA. What is 1 hour? Oh my goodness, I like this currency. I really like this currency. Wow, it's going to come up, but I will be waiting for 4 hours candlestick close over there. जरा ज़्यादा ही शांति होगी यहाँ पे. If this is also going to be fill the fair value gap of this as well. Man, this is so beautiful. NZDJPY, I'm waiting for this, brother. Same thing, I'm waiting for same thing again. So yeah, tomorrow morning we're coming. GBP odd. I said this, man. I said this. If this candlestick is going to close within this box, the next candlestick is going to create the blue candle, which is what exactly happens. Am I interested to take the trade any? Absolutely not. No interest. Oh my. Look at that. Just look at that. I have predicted this to the perfection. I literally leave my box over here. Literally has created the exact candle. Exact. Look at the length. Look at that, man. This is the sign of I am getting good in prediction. I wanna clip this, man. I wanna clip this before and after. Seriously, it is the thing. Guess what? We'll make money, man. Tomorrow we're making money. A lot money. Not in $1 lakh funded account. I'm feeling sleepy. Not in the $1 lakh funded account, but I just want to practice. Oh my god, this is the trade, man. This is so beautiful trade. Wow. So I'm pretending this is the weekly, this is the daily, and this is the 4 hours. Seriously. Seriously, look at this. This can't get much good than this. I'm not gonna lie. But the only con is if you're selling over here, there will be no lower high is getting created. I want this candlestick to close the way it is, then one more candle to close over here, and then we can easily go down. That I have to consider. But recording is on, right? Yeah, the recording is on.
मी झोपायला गेले आणि तिथलं एक जरी इकडचं तिकडं झालं तर मी तुझ्याकडे बघते मग.
So yeah, I will waiting for this to happen. That's it.
हँड ग्लोव्ज नाही येत आता
Because
इकडे.
I can't take the trade. I need the lower high to get created. Six hours to oh, this is what I was thinking about.
आपण मी झोपायला चालले तर झालं.
So I'm looking for taking the sell. I am waiting for 4 hours lower high to get created. Probability is it is not high, probability is medium. This is main thing. Rest is not main thing. NZDJPY, what we are waiting for in NZDJPY, candlestick closer on 4 hours.
बिट्टू
काय ग?
तुझी गोधडी तिकडे आहे का?
नाही ग, नाही.
तिकडंच आहे त्याचे आधार अंधे कुठं
4 hours.
ही आहे का त्याची bottle रे?
हो
अच्छा,
बरोबर.
ही हिरवी इथे आहे, मी तिकडंच बघ.
4 hours candlestick closure on the AOI. That's all I want. This is the forex. How in the world this is something changes? Yeah, because there was no gaps. I see. There is there is not a no gap candle. उठू का?
वर बसतो का दिवाणवर मग?
बसतो की.
बस.
Settings, body, this. Okay, so I need to change the color. This is is that correct? Yeah, that is the correct option. So, oh no. But this doesn't look good, man. Yeah, now it looking good. The way we wanted. Bingo. Yeah, beautiful. So this is going to do this. It's going to go down. I'm really waiting for 4 hours daily. At least 4 hours to create the lower high. If that happens, beautiful. It will also come up. So yeah. Look at this. Again, one more prediction is getting correct. Look at this. Look at this. My camera is not good. I have said this, man. Look at my box is still here. Yesterday's box is this, okay? I must be uploading my yesterday's videos, man. Look at this, man. Like, wow. I leave this box and it is going to go up. If this is going to go, oh my goodness. We're making money, brother. Tomorrow, we're making money. The next thing, let's delete this. It is going to go up for sure. Next is we will be wicking and then we are going to go up. Not enough. Tomorrow. So, waiting for 4 hours AOI. 8. Hours to candle closer on AOI. Looking to buy. Probability is low because this is the counter trend trade. The risk is also high. The risks is high as well. So I'm interested in euro odd. We'll keep the lines so that we'll be understanding what we are looking into. Euro GBP on the other hand, I said that look at this, look at my lines. Yesterday night I have predicted, but I haven't said this is going to go instantly go. I was saying that this is going to come down and then it is going to go up. My brain is paining. Is Bluetooth off? Yeah. I mean, it is getting ready to take the cells. हो करा. नाही करून टाका. माझे आहे तर रेकॉर्डिंग चालू, ह्याच्याने होऊन जात आहे. येस.
तुझे कपडे येत आहेत हं, आत नाही जातात.
कुठे?
हे कपडे येतात ठेवले.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. माझं 5च मिनटात होऊन जाईल.
हो दे मला काय अडचण नाही.
हां. So it is getting ready to take the sell trade. That is it. I'm not interested to take the trade any. Wow. Again, look at this. Exact same candle I predicted. It has happened to the perfection. Perfection. Wow. I will delete this now. Yesterday only I have predicted, man. But I haven't predicted it is going to start and it's going to continue. I have predicted that this is going to come and weak into this area of interest, and then it is going to continue to go to the downside, which haven't happened. It just melted down, which is not good. I'm not interested in to take any trade right now. If this candlestick close the way it is right now, then we are going to go up tomorrow. Basically, can we maybe we can. I'm gonna have to. Where are we? Nah, looks good, but there is no take profit range, so not interested. Visible? Am I visible? Holy, I like this. Yeah, it is visible. USDJPY on other hand, मी किचनमध्ये बसतो.
किचनमध्ये बसतो.
हां, म्हणजे तुम्हाला आवाज आणि आव्हान पण झोपेल ना आता, म्हणून हो मी किचनमध्ये बसतो. मग दिसन ना मला. Here we go. Look at that. Oh my god. All you can see is utensils, and my bicep. Ara. Ah. So, here we go. USDJPY. I can't take the trade instantly. I want the engulfing candle. If I got the engulfing candle, that will be huge. So tomorrow I can't take the Monday weekend. EuroCAD. Not interested. GBP NZD. If this kind is closed like this, we can easily take the buy trade easily. And it is literally looking so good to take the buy trade. Literally looks good, man, to take the buy trade. But the only con is the take profit. I mean, how about weekly? Weekly looks good. Why this line is saying that I predicted down? Oh yeah, yesterday I have told that this candlestick is not going to get formed. Again, I told this the red candle is going to get formed, but then we literally avoided loss to perfection by just waiting for that shift of structure, which avoided the loss, so we can close the alarm. Literally. So what is this then? I mean, I don't want to buy in so highest place, and plus there is no take profit. Where the take profit will be? Right there, which is so close. I'm not interested. Odd USD on the other hand, if this candlestick close the way it is right now, it is very much likely that it is going to go up. It is going to do like this candlestick is going to close like this, then next candle is going to do like this, then it is going to go do and then up, but it is going to create a doji, which means the Monday candlestick is going to be the engulfing candle. So this is how it is going to work. The USD CAD, I have predicted this move to the perfection. Literally, look at this. I told this is going to happen, man. When it was happening, I told it is going to happen. But the only thing which I don't like that we are so up. I need a retracement till here, which haven't happened. So I haven't took any trade. I'm not interested any trade in this. CHF JPY. We literally missed this beautiful trade. 1:4. Beautiful, seriously. Missed this. Any trade in this? No. See, odd CHF. Like, look at this. Currencies looks beautiful, don't we? But the CHF currencies are like, we're trading so not good. Look at where are we trading, brother? We're not trading in a very good place. So see this candlestick, if the candlestick close like this, we're going to create a new next red candle, which is what we can take the trade. This is going to be the lowest probable trade, but this is a trade. I want daily this 4 hour candlestick closure over here, and then we will be shifting and looks good. But the only thing is, where are we right now is not good, and I'm so sleepy right now. Also, we'll be rejecting the EMA if it is coming. Look at it. If it is going to come over here, it doesn't looks good. I'm not interested. CHF currencies, I just want to stay away because that currencies are so trading lower low. काय म्हणणं आहे यांचं Euro NZD. This is so not good. As per the data, it should create the red candle like this. Now on Friday, just check it out. It is going to create that. When the market maker is watching my videos or what, I really don't know. I haven't even uploaded this videos anywhere, not even share on my community. Still, it is happening to the perfection. Wow. I'm so sleepy right now. Okay, one thing which haven't happened, that this must close like a red candle, which haven't closed like a red candle. We'll see why. Uh, is it, have we avoided a loss? We'll see. So we were trading over here, and then we came over here. We break. We can take the trade over here if we can take the trade, because we were waiting for this break close, and then we can easily take the trade. Can we? Here we go, man. Here we go. Avoided a loss because if we're taking the trade over here, I was waiting for the retracement till here. If there is no lower high, there is no lower low. Even if it has created lower high over here, I just don't like the way we are trading over here, because we are super low. Even we close like a doji, which is not good, you know. And this is screen is, yeah, Maybe this will work. Even if it's greater dozy, maybe I can take, maybe I will not. It's totally depend on like what my thought process is going to be. This is greater than this, not wait for this, and then this is the higher high, this is the higher low, break, break. So this is it. One hour, we candlestick, beautiful breaking. The only thing is where are we selling right now? The way we are selling is not good, really. But probability is whenever we are buying, we're selling. Whenever we are above, we're selling. Whenever we are under, we're selling. Or buying, we are buying. We close below. It must, continue to go down. Then why it haven't? This is the lower low, lower high, beautifully created. But still, where are we selling? That is main important thing. And we're selling in the lowest low. Look at that. Cat CHF. CHF? Mm. We should not take the trades on CHF currencies. CHF, come on, man. Why you are in the list? I just don't wanna entertain you. CHF, CHF, CHF. Not int- Let's delete these currencies, man. I mean, this just looks good. But if you're buying over here, look at where are we buying. This is the lowest place this currency have ever come. I just don't wanna mess up with this because when the currencies is super low, then the probability of making money is also super low. Oh, fuck. Euro NZD. Oh, this little bit cold down there. Am I interested? No, I am really not. What it is? Odd NZD. Ooh, it's so close to make that. No, we haven't made that candle. We haven't made the engulfing candle. This candlestick which I was looking over here, which haven't created yet. So I can take the trade. That's it. That is it. I have predicted this is going to happen, which is going to happen. Look at just look at this. But it haven't created a doji, like it haven't created the body. It just created a beak, which is not good. I want the engulfing candle, or else if we sell over here, we'll get stop out. The way it happens over here. Or in ZDCAD, this is the scenario. This is like it looks like this is going to push to downside, man. Till here. Yeah, that is going to looks like it is going to push to downside. Till there, it is going to create the lower high, retest, and then it is going to continue downside. Man, this looks beautiful. How about daily? How about weekly? This is the recording is on. Yeah, it just shocked me right now. So I was like, zero? What? You haven't shooted yet? You can see this is what I'm sleeping right now. This is the Uh, I literally feel like it is going to come down uh, like this. The X. Array. It is going to be exactly same like this candle. Um, maybe we can take the trade. Maybe all EMS also comes down. Hmm. So cold. I want the candlestick closer on this area of interest, then you can see. Badam, badam, badam. It's like weak and push. And this looks beautiful. Let's shortlist this trade as well. Waiting for 4 hours candlestick closure. Delete unwanted parts. The probability is low. I am waiting for 4 hours candle closer on here. That's all I want. Oh my god, am I sleeping? My eyes are like struggling to like struggling to be open. If it I think so I should be going live rather than recording the video. It will be good because the same video is going to get uploaded. Why not to go live? Man, look at my arrow. I have predicted this move, man. कसं सांगायचं आता कसं नाही कळत तुम्हाला कसं नाही कळत तुम्हाला this candle is closed like this, then the next candle stick is going to create the red candle, which is also going to weak into the EMA. Okay, the 4 hours. Wow. Have I speak something which is not good? I feel like I right now realize I was speaking in a sleep. I literally realize right now once I wake up. So I kinda waiting for this to come and then push to the downside. Yeah. Basically, yeah, that right there is the game plan. Also, this is it. Daily area of interest. I mean, I want to come touch over here or come out touch over here. This is also good in ZUSD. It's also good currency. My eyes are sleeping right now. Wake up. Do you know this? You don't know this? Watch Frame series, man. I'm waiting for 4 hours candles closer. 4 hours candle closer on black AOI. That's it. That is only it we are looking into. Oh my god, look at the, in within a day we get we're getting a lot of more currencies, you know. So now tomorrow straight this is it. I'm sleepy, so sleepy. I'm wanting this to go down, wanting lower eye to get created. Lower eye. Lower eye. 4 eyes. Lower eye to get created. I am looking for my currency haven't came. Maybe it came, maybe not. Holy shit, I'm speaking in my brain. Okay, boys, ready to take this stealth trip tomorrow. The probability is super, super, super low. Low risk is the high because it is high. If I say that has to happen, this is having a good probability because we have a lot of things that no one does. And that is a very high probability, or CAD. There's also high probability. Daily doji and 4 hours to 4 hours doji. As I'm predicting 4 hours as a daily and daily as a weekly. So I want this to come candlestick closure, which required little bit time. How about this NZD CAD? 4 hours candlestick closure. Is there any currency which is similar of this? Yeah. Uh, this is right there is this. And NZD CAD and GP CAD. GP CAD. NZD CAD and odd CAD. NZD CAD and odd CAD are the two currencies is so same. I feel like NZD CAD make more sense because the 4 hours is bearish and the odd CAD doesn't make more sense because the odd CAD is not bearish. 4 hours is not bearish. I want the candlestick. I want this. Babre, I'm so sleepy right now. I just don't wanna get messed up. 4 hours candlestick closure I want. There's like a more to it only. Temporary excluded. I want 4 hours candlestick closure. Everything which requires 4 hours candlestick closure. Come back. Come back, the more to wait. This is it. What is happening right there? Probably a lot need is coming. So in ZDGPU I'm waiting for this 4 hours candlestick closure. Yeah. We can do this. What? What? I slept. I. s- Holy shit! I slept in front of camera. Oh my. Oh my god. I slept in front of camera. This is how hard work I'm doing. So this is it. This is it, boys. This is what is going to happen. Um, yeah, it is what it is. Let's go back. NZDGPY looks good. What is Euro or? Yeah, this also looks good. Waiting for this. I am waiting for 4 hours candlestick closure. अच्छा candlestick closure की है. So pretty much what we're waiting for. I want the come back over here or maybe somewhere here. Consolidate there. Come back. Consolidate here. Consolidate here. Consolidate. अरे consolidate over here means creating a doge or something candlestick which is showing the rejection. So it is what is done. I'm so sleepy right now. I literally don't wanna make money in this currency. I wanna lose money. Right now it has beautifully created the lower high. It is going to create the new lower low bearish. This is going to happen. It is going to happen. Ask me now. I know more than you. So this is what it is. Signing off. I'm closing this. Bye. Hello all. I hope my screen is visible and camera is sufficient amount. I can do this. look where I am. I'm in a metro, and right now the time is. You wanna see the time? Here we go. 7:22, and we're so far from our stop. So I was thinking like, let's do our trading recap. What is and what is not. Look at this. Just look at this. When I was on a trading floor, I have predicted this odd USD that it is going to go down. But yesterday I learned we need to wait for the candlestick closure. We haven't took the trade, and we easily avoided the loss to the perfection. Also, I was waiting for the price to come over here. Is my voice is audible? I hope my voice is audible, brother. Screen recording is on. Timer is on. Yeah. So the price come up till here, but I just like it just doesn't feel the way it should be feeling to take the sell trade. So I'm not taking the sell trade. NZDJPY, I was waiting for the engulfing candle, which has happened for some period of time, but while closing the candle, it came up. We haven't took the trade, no trade. On the third, what it is, GBP CAD. Look at the names, brother. I mean, wait, there are a lot of currencies. See, I will sum up what happens today. When I was on trading floor, I took the trade. There were two trades. One trade I took, which my stop loss got hit, and then it reached to my take profit. That means we got liquidity grab, and that is how we done the loss. And the second trade, which I just missed by 10 seconds, and that hit so down, and we missed the profit. So in a nutshell, we miss almost 4 lakh profit today. It is what is, it's a part of a game. So also today is Friday. Look at this. I'm just new to using this Mac. Today is Friday, is it? Today is Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, market close. Tomorrow we are heading to the office again. I wanted to do some calculations about the other things which I can share right now. There's no stay tuned. It is what it is, brother. This is what it is. I will analyze more deep after I go home because there will be so silent because 90% of my voice is not getting recorded. All the this voice is getting recorded background, but I hope this Mac is good for voice noise reduction. We'll see how it works. But yeah, we miss we miss.
Next station.
It is what it is. Signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. My day just started. So I was not knowing Mac is also getting hang. Even this is unpredictable because it should not get hang. Maybe I don't know about this. I'm learning this. So it is what it is. Signing off. Oh yeah, I want to show you. I want to show you. See, I'm reading this business book, which will improve my business more. 90% of the people in this metro is doing two things. Either they are listening to music or they are what it is. They are scrolling the reels, and that is how they are failing. And what I'm getting differentiated that I'm reading business. I'm doing something which is going to make me money. So that is how you also need to differentiate yourself or else be average. No doubt. So I'm closing this recording, signing off. Like why? Hello there. I'm just wanted to check this. Is my mic is working or not? Hi there. So I'm literally in the metro. Look at this. I'm in the metro, and I got this feed finally. You can see the bag. Yeah, the bags are also there. I'm heading towards home. Done the meeting. The meeting is done. So I was going to see this. I was about to read the book, but thought to just look at about trades because while traveling I will not be having the internet which I am having right now. That is the reason I just wanna check it out. That's it. So these are the currency we were looking yesterday. As my voice is audible, let me check the meter, audio meter. Yeah, it is audible. So as in Audiousty, I missed the profit over here. I missed almost 1 lakh profit over here. I missed it. You know, it was so beautiful. I miss the trade like this. But my prediction was correct. We miss over here NZD-JPY. NZD-JPY also we miss because I have look at this. Look, my lines are still there. In GBP CAD, we also miss one more trade over here because we can easily take the trade. Third is GBP USD. What was in GB? Yeah, we again miss 1 more lakh over here. Literally by missing. I was missing a lot of trade this week, but next week we'll make money for sure. Easily we can take the sell trade over here. On Euro odd, same thing. I have predicted this, man. I have predicted this like anything. So again, just I haven't took the trade. Why? Because the candlestick closed so above. That is the reason I haven't took the trade. The recording is on, right? A new fear unlocked, brother. So NZD CAD as well. Oh shit! I have again we miss one more trade over here. Easily we can take the sell trade over here. GBJPY. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, we did a loss over here. We keep the stop loss to the perfection. Before we lost, I was about to hit the take profit, which haven't hit. So we hit the stop loss. That's it. NZD USD back again. Predicted the perfection. Happened to the perfection. It is what it is. Recording is on. Yeah. And the last and the most is Oddcat. This was exactly the beautiful. I mean, next week will be ending up almost 4 to 8 lakhs next week, easily, like this. So the question is, where are we going to take the trade? So that is analysis I must be doing today, which I haven't done. Tomorrow I'm going to do it after I go home. So this is what it is. I will just. This is the end of this video, and maybe this is the end of the whole series of the trading for the whole week. So yeah, this is the last video. Signing off. I will do the analysis tomorrow and upload it on YouTube as we are doing, because it is what it is. I want to help you guys to make money. Okay, so just a second, boys. So yeah, I was saying about I want to help you to make money. So I'm literally sharing my trades completely for free over here on the YouTube. Enjoy. So next week prediction is going to be almost 7-8 lakhs. We'll achieve it like anything. Signing off, boys. I want to show you the outside, but the sun goes down, darkness is there. Peace. I'm going. Yeah. I have saw here 90% of people are scrolling the reels, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to read the book. That is what separates me from 90% of the people. That is why I'm making more than 90% of people. If you want to separate yourself, do what I'm saying. Signing off.
Please mind the